Hey there everyone, welcome back to Blades & More for a review of this Kershaw Al Mar AM-4 Speed Safe Assisted Opening Folding Pocket Knife. This is a collaboration between Kershaw and Al Mar, and it lets the buyer appreciate some of the Al Mar designs in a Kershaw budget price range. Comes in around $29. It's a really cool, sleek, slender, kind of a gentleman's folding pocket knife. That's a great design. This is the larger of the two Kershaw Al Mar models, the AM-4. They also make an AM-3, a little smaller. And I really love this knife. It's great design, feels great in my pocket. It's a great urban EDC. It's a mid-size knife, comes in around 7.625 inches overall length with a blade length of 3.5 inches. The blade thickness is thin, it's 0.11 inch thick. The blade material is a 8CR13 MOV. And it's a spear point blade design with a long tapered swedge. And it's a hollow grind with a very nice satin finish and a plain edge. Has a small sharpening choil with dual ambidextrous thumb studs, but they are really just for aesthetics. I can't get my thumb on them to open it, but it does come with a nice flipper tab with heavy jimping that works very nicely with the Kershaw Speed Safe Assisted Opening. The handle length is 4.125 inches long. It's quite thin, 0.42 inches thickness. It's a G10 handle material on the top. It's a smooth finish with a stainless steel back that's black anodized. Looks very nice. Most oftentimes I'm not real crazy or attracted to knives with two different materials, but this one you can't hardly tell, and it's a very nice feature. It's great. The knife comes in at 3.02 ounce weight. And it is a right hand only carrying clip position with a nice black anodized stainless steel carrying clip with the Al Mar logo design. The clip carries deep in the pocket, and the blade centering in the handle is perfect. It's a really cool design. It's an open back handle design with three red anodized pillars that really look nice. A great design. I love this piece. I'm glad I finally picked one up. This knife's been out for a while now, along with its smaller brethren, the Al Mar AM-3 that I have here. Give you a comparison check. Most oftentimes I like to carry a little smaller knife, and so I started out with the AM-3, but I realized that the AM-4 was better fitting for my large to extra large hand. Fits in my hand very well, very nicely. Just a cool gentleman's EDC. It's a lighter weight type knife. I wouldn't say it's exactly a hunting, fishing, camping knife. It's more for styling. It's a great piece. Let me do a little cut test with it. Love that speed safe opening. Just a great design, a great piece. I would give it high recommendations. All right, everybody, there we go. It is the Kershaw Al Mar AM-4 assisted opening folding pocket knife. Thank you very much for watching. All right, bye now.